to another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how I'm going to show you guys how I wash my Faux Locs. This is my first time of ever putting Faux Locs on my hair, so I want to I'm someone that experiences itchy scalp right from time, so I wash my hair once every week. But even with my Faux Locs, I still want to wash my hair because right now my hair is currently itching and you can see some flake there, so I really want to wash it just so I'm able to maintain it, because I'm thinking of carrying this hair for 4 weeks and I hope, fingers crossed, it works. So if you've not joined my family, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification and give this video a thumbs up. If it's echoing in here, that's because I'm currently in my bathroom preparing to go on this washing process with you guys, and Prosper is actually in the background making noise as usual. So I'm going to be washing this hair right now and I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be using. So this is 1 week and 4 days I made this hair, so it's actually due for wash because I've been oiling my hair for the past 1 week now. Every day I oil it because of the dry weather we find ourselves, and I've not applied edge control ever since I made the hair, just because my hair itches a lot. So I try as much as I can to reduce the product I use on my hair, just so I don't accumulate more products that will make the hair itch. So I'm talking too much. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be using for this hair. I'm going to be using this my customized spritz bottle gotten from a perfume I got, and my normal shampoo. I'm going to be pouring it inside this bottle and then adding water to it, just so it's runny and so that it doesn't hang, it doesn't build up on the roots of my hair. So we're going to shake. So this is what we have now. I hope I've gotten everything. So this is what we have. So I'm going to dampen my hair right now, make it wet enough, touching the scalp, then I'll start spritzing and washing. So far, I'm actually done rinsing off my shampoo, and this is what we've got. Hope you guys can see well. This is what we've got at the front, the sides, and then I'm going to turn to the back, show you guys what we've got. So this is the back. completely washed, and then I'm just going to apply my conditioner, my VLLO, almost finished. So just going to apply little. I think I should apply this to my spray bottle again, but I don't have that time because I want it to also touch the locks. If it touches the locks, there's actually nothing wrong with that. So I'm just going to use it to massage my scalp. So I'm just going to come back to you guys with my hair all washed and ready to be prepped for the new year. Stay tuned. I'm gonna wait. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after washing it. This is what we look like. And I just want to oil my scalp. I just want to oil my scalp and prep it. I don't think I'm going to be putting edge control now, or I'll just try to put edge control or just slip it down with my oil, because I'm trying to reduce the usage of product on my Faux Locs, and that's why I'm just going to be using less product on it. My scalp is still itching a little, but this oil, my all-time favorite castor oil, will do the trick. Why I love this oil is because it's lightweight, like it's really lightweight. So let's oil our scalp. I love to start from the front. And I make sure that the oil gets into the roots of my hair. Oiling my scalp every day is actually a very big task for me, but I got no option than to keep doing it because it's for the health of my hair. As somebody that is suffering from itchy scalp, I'll just keep on doing this until I'm sure that all the parts of my hair is saturated. And my hair is a bit damped. It's not yet fully dried. It's still wet, but not so wet, just damped. This is how I'm going to do it until I'm completely done with my hair. Then I'm going to come back to you guys. We are good for another rocking, so I'm just going to let it dry out and I'll continue rocking it until maybe 2 weeks later I do this same washing and possibly rewrap it if it's losing out, because currently it's not losing out. But see how my scalp looks. So that's how my scalp looks currently. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a constructive comment. I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.